Good morning, Block 2. Good afternoon, Block 4. All right, today you guys are going to be working on the collision lab. You're going to go to the fet.colorado.edu website. And you're going to click, if you hit the play button, it doesn't work, go to click download. Download the lab itself, and you can pull it up in front of you. Now, what you'll end up getting in front of you is something that looks like this, 0.5 with 1.5 kilograms. If you click on the More Data button, you can then change the mass, 0.4, 1.8, and you can change the velocities and the direction of the velocities. In this case, I have them at 4 and -1. This is example experiment 0. Okay, you can look here where you're going to calculate the momentum, the kinetic energy, and the mass of the system of the two objects before the collision and then after the collision. And you're going to compare the systems, that's both object 1 and 2, mass, kinetic energy, and momentum before the collision and after each collision. Once that is complete, okay, you're going to do all 9 experiments. So if you hit play, the two collide, pause, you can stop it, you can record the mass, the velocity, and then calculate everything there. If you look at the example, it's pretty clear as to, you can see all the calculations, you can see all the pictures, you can see all the diagrams. Be sure when you're dealing with momentum, they're vector quantities, and be sure when you're dealing with energies and mass, they're scalar quantities. So for vector quantities, make sure you remember the directions and signs. All right, good luck. See you on Friday.